Well, hello, hello. I want to show you what I do for three different tasks for two different brands so that you have an opportunity to take this task over and add something new and fun to your plate in regard to marketing. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to start with taking over the task of posting on LinkedIn for Be Inspired Salon. So one of my to-dos here is to figure out, and I have our technical administrative assistant for Maya figuring this out for us, is right now I have to log into my personal Instagram or LinkedIn in order to go and manage the Be Inspired Salon LinkedIn platform. But we're going to do a post. So, literally, this is a weekly post. Um, you can up this if you want to, but it's more about just having somewhat of a presence. So for sharing media, I'm just going to open up and see, something that we have in here. I'm sure we have, which is our grand opening party. So let's go with this graphic here since this has more details on it. It shows you a preview of what you will look like depending on the device people see. So pretty cool. And then it's a normal post. This Thursday is our grand opening party for our second salon location, downtown Madison. Are super excited to celebrate. Um, okay, there we go. But here, actually, I'll show you my next trick. Copy. What I post here, I'm going to post on my other two platforms. So this is new responsibility one to post for the salon on LinkedIn. So we're going to post that. You can view, and there it is. This is what people see, which is great. The next place we want to post is our Google My Business. So both of you will need to access this. So if you go to the Google apps right here, all these, you're going to scroll down to Business Profile Manager. Once you're here, you'll see we have Be Inspired Salon on Globe Drive, Be Inspired Salon in East Wash. You do have to go in and post on each one individually. So we'll start with our flagship location. And once you land here, you can click on this little arrow button. And by the way, fun tips. You can ask for reviews right here. So if I click on that, this is where you get that direct link to share with people to leave us a review. Gosh, I can't wait till we're over 900. Yay. Okay. So here's where we want to click on add update. You could do an offer, like if you have a special thing like, hey, new laminate brow special for this month only. I mean, like you can create whatever you want. I'm going to do an update here. And this is where you add that graphic again. And then easily we just copy and paste that. You can have a button, book, order online, buy, learn more. None of this really applies to this event, and post. So that's what I typically do. And then they'll always, pending their ability to publish it. Then we go back up here to these squares in the apps and we go down back into business profile and we select our downtown location. And let's just for fun, go to add an update, but this time we'll add an event and see what that looks like and how it differs. Maybe we'll just try a different graphic too. So grand opening party. 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Event details. I'll just pull up. Okay. I was going to try to. Well, there's where we'll just copy and paste what we said before. And I'm going to switch this out so they can actually see a little bit more about what we're offering at the event. There's no button really needed for this. And so we'll post. Kind of fun, easy. So you're really doing, since it's a weekly thing, like the same post everywhere. Next is our Nextdoor neighborhood. So I'll have to also figure out how to get this off of my personal, but underneath my personal are both salons, whereas Pure Nails has its own login, which is kind of interesting. So I'll go first to our Globe Drive location. They're always going to prompt you to set up an ad. I don't ever do that because you're under ads automatically here. I mean, you can do that and test and see if this is helpful because you're targeting people within these communities. But for the sake of our task, every week I click on posts. So it's been a hot minute since we've done this. This is from Valentine's. So you can see February 6th, February 13th. It's time. We need a new post. I've never done the create an event, but maybe we'll try that for our other location underneath Nextdoor. And post. There it is. So I don't know what would happen next for that. So probably, oh, see, I don't know. We're not going to do that. Okay. And then I go to our downtown location on Nextdoor. Click on posts. I don't know if they charge you for an event. Let's just see. Five to 7 p.m. I don't know. This isn't showing up the way I think it should. So we're going to go there. And cover photo. All right, cool. I did something new that I've never done before. That's kind of fun. We don't have a ton of visibility, yeah, on this brand so far, and I don't. All of this takes me. So this is where we just need to pass the torch and make sure that we separate these brands out of my personal Nextdoor. So now I'm going to log out. And now we're going to go and do most of the same things for Pure Nails. The only difference is Pure Nails does not at this point have a LinkedIn page. So that is up to us to do that in the future if we want. But I'm going to go into Pure Nails and log in. So this is where, oh, great. So let me just see. We got a code to put in 005481. So Pure Nails is always the harder one for me. I think it'll be easier if you can access just more designs. But I think I'm still logged into this Canva. So I think we'll post this, but I'm just trying to see. Maybe I'll download this. We'll do this, and then I'll use this content actually from your email, Pure Nails. Find the email so you can see what I'm looking at. This is how I draw like content. So we'll go to post, and then we will continue to add to it. I'm going to get that in here first. Color text, schedule. All right. Now I'm going to copy this so that we can paste it into Google My Business. So that is done. Boom. So Pure Nails is done now on Nextdoor. And then the last task is to go into Google My Business, into Pure Nails. Click on the down arrow, add update, add an update. And you could post about this for, multiple weeks and just switch up the graphic. And then here we can put call now. And it'll automatically have this pull in, post. Done. And there it is. And those are the simple tasks for social that I would love to hand over to you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.